This video explains how to use the shower in the Balsam suite. So we have this bar here on the left hand side. If you push that away from you, this will turn on the water, and then you put it down to turn off the water. On the right hand side, that's how you change the temperature. If you turn this away from you, it'll become hotter. And to get past a certain heat, you'll need to push this red button and push it in. And that's a safety feature so you don't burn yourself. To get cold water, you just put it down towards you. This is an adjustable shower head, and to change the height, you just need to come in here and you just squeeze on this, and then you can change this up and down and release. And that's how you can set the height. And that's how to use the shower in the Balsam suite. Thank you.